Introductions Verbs. Hi, and welcome to our English lesson on verbs. In this video, we will be exploring the different types of verbs, how to use them in a sentence, and some common verb tenses. First, let's start with the basics. A verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence. It is the most important part of a sentence, and without it, a sentence is incomplete. There are three main types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs, and auxiliary verbs. Action verbs describe a physical or mental action. Some examples include run, jump, think, and write. Linking verbs, on the other hand, do not describe an action, but rather connect the subject of the sentence to a subject complement. Common linking verbs include be, seem, and become. Auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs, are used to form verb tenses and to make questions and negatives. Some examples of auxiliary verbs include have, do, and be. Now that we've covered the different types of verbs, let's talk about verb tenses. Verb tenses tell us when an action is happening, whether it's in the past, present, or future. The most common verb tenses are the present simple, present continuous, past simple, and past continuous. The present simple tense is used to describe habits, routines, or general truths. It is formed by using the base form of the verb. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. It is formed by using the base form of the verb, to be, and the present participle of the main verb. For example, I am eating breakfast right now. The past simple tense is used to describe actions that happened in the past and are now completed. It is formed by using the past tense of the verb, to be, and the base form of the main verb. For example, I ate breakfast this morning. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. It is formed by using the past tense of the verb, to be, and the present participle of the main verb. For example, I was eating breakfast when the phone rang. There are many other verb tenses in the English language, but these are the most common ones that you will encounter. So that's it for our lesson on verbs. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use verbs in a sentence and how to form different verb tenses. Practice makes perfect, so make sure to put your new knowledge into action by using verbs in your everyday conversations and writing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.